4 straight sides. Count the corners. Families can overlap.
Welcome to the Sunstone Garden. This is Juniper. As she walks, notice her shell. It is a beautiful mosaic composed of distinct, straight-edged patches. At first glance, the shapes seem entirely random, but her companion, the wise math Sheba, looks at this mosaic and sees perfect mathematical order. To find a specific family of shapes, known as quadrilaterals, he uses one universal test. Let's isolate a single patch on Juniper's shell. First, we count the straight edges. 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides. Next, we count the points where those sides meet. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. That is the complete test. If a closed shape has exactly 4 straight sides and 4 corners, it belongs to the quadrilateral family, regardless of how wide or slanted it might appear. Let's apply that rule. Juniper has 3 shell patches in front of her, and she needs to sort them using the Sheba's simple filter. Look at the first patch. It has 4 straight sides and 4 corners. It passes. The second patch looks different. Counting the edges gives us 1, 2, 3 straight sides and 3 corners. This is a triangle, which means it fails the test. Evaluating the third patch, we find 4 straight sides and 4 corners. It passes. Because exactly 2 of these 3 patches have 4 sides, they are the only true quadrilaterals in the group. Juniper nudges them together. Counting the sides is an absolute foolproof filter. Within this large quadrilateral family, some shapes have specific physical traits that place them into exclusive, smaller subfamilies. A rectangle is a quadrilateral where all 4 corners are perfectly square, forming right angles. A rhombus is a quadrilateral where all 4 straight sides are exactly the same length. And then there is the square. It is unique because it possesses the special traits of both. A square has 4 perfectly square corners, proving it is a rectangle. But it also has 4 sides of equal length, proving it is a rhombus. A single shape can hold 2 special names at the exact same time, and because rectangles, rhombuses, and squares all share the baseline trait of having 4 straight sides, they all remain safely inside the larger quadrilateral family. Does a shape need perfectly square corners or equal sides to join the quadrilateral family? To test this, Juniper drags her front claw through the soft sand, creating a highly irregular, lopsided outline. Its sides are all different lengths, excluding it from being a rhombus or square. It also lacks square corners, so it cannot be a rectangle. But counting its edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, proves it has 4 straight sides. It is a quadrilateral. Identifying a quadrilateral always comes down to one requirement: the simple act of counting to 4 for straight sides and corners. Squares, rectangles, and rhombuses are simply regular quadrilaterals that happen to follow a few bonus rules. So, finding the quadrilateral family is as simple as just counting the sides. See you at the next bend.
Squares are rectangles. Rhombuses have equal sides. Attributes sort shapes.